I'd like to talk to you about the differences between a Heritage Lifetime roofing system and a builder grade roof. And your roof is comprised of several different products that are very important. The first one is your base layer. And what we use is ProArmor by OwensCorning. It's a synthetic material, and so you'll see that it doesn't tear very easily. And this is Weatherlock from OwensCorning. As you can feel, it's very, very sticky on the back, and it's self-sealing. So when we put a nail in here, when the sun heats that up, that's going to seal around that nail head. We use this in all of the valleys and around all the penetrations. We also use it anywhere a wall meets a roof or a chimney meets a roof. And then the filled shingle with the SureNail technology. And then the ridge, as you can see that this nail has gone through this shingle 3 times. At Heritage, we're going to install lifetime products on both the field and the ridge, as well as all the underlayments.
Stay local for all your roofing and restoration needs. Heritage Construction. We're committed for life.